In this video, we'll walk through how to deploy the Brave browser using Microsoft Intune. The first step is to download the setup file for the application. However, the setup file available on the official website is not compatible with Intune deployment. Instead, we need to use the Windows Package Manager to download the correct installer. The Windows Package Manager is a free and powerful package management solution that comes pre-installed on Windows 11 and newer versions of Windows 10. To get the latest version of the installer, open PowerShell and run this command. This method also provides a direct link to the setup file, and the downloaded file will be saved in the Downloads folder. The next step is creating some folders for Intune package creation. For example, I will create them in the D drive. Before you can add the app to Microsoft Intune, you must prepare the app by using the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool. The tool converts application installation files into the .IntuneWin format. Download the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool from the official Microsoft GitHub repository. Extract the downloaded zip file. We just need the prep tool, so let's copy it to the Intune folder that we've created in the previous step. Make sure the file IntuneWinAppUtil.exe is located at the same level as the input and output folders. Next, rename the downloaded installer file to setup.exe. Then copy the renamed file to the input folder that we created in the previous steps. At this moment, you can see the structure of the Intune folder. All files and folders in the input folder will be compressed into an .IntuneWin file format. After the conversion, the final Intune package will be saved into the output folder. Next, open PowerShell or Terminal as administrator. Navigate to the Intune folder using the cd command. Now, run the Intune WinAppUtil tool. The tool will guide you to enter the required parameters step by step. Specify the path of the input folder as the source folder. Enter the full path of the setup.exe file. And the path of the output folder for the generated .IntuneWin file. Press Enter to continue. The application is now doing its magic, creating the .IntuneWin file for us. Once done, go to the output folder to verify that the .IntuneWin file is being created. Now, log into the Intune Admin Center and add a new Windows app. From the drop-down menu, select Windows App, Win32, as the app type. For the app package file, select the output Intune file that you created earlier. On the app information page, provide the required details, such as the app name, description, and publisher name. You can also upload a logo for the app. This logo will appear in the company portal, making it easier for users to identify the application. Next, on the program page, enter the installation and uninstallation commands for the app. In the uninstall command, please change the app version number to fit with yours. On the requirements page, specify any prerequisites the device must meet before the app is installed, such as device architecture, minimum OS version, and disk space. Detection rules help verify whether the app is already installed on managed devices. You can either use a custom detection script or manually configure a detection rule. In this video, we'll use the manual detection rule type. Select File as the rule type to verify based on file or folder detection. Enter the full path of the folder that contains the setup file. Then, specify the file or folder to detect. Choose File or Folder Exists as the detection method to confirm the app's presence. In this page, you can define software dependencies and specify apps that must be installed before the app can be deployed. Additionally, you can configure supersedence to directly update or replace an older version of the app. On the Assignments page, decide how to deploy the app. For required deployments, the app will be force installed on specified groups or devices. For available deployments, the app will appear in the company portal, allowing users to install it. Use the Uninstall Deployment option to remove the app from managed devices. You can select Add All Devices to deploy the app to all managed devices, but it's recommended to test the deployment on a small group of devices before deploying it organization-wide. In this page, you can also filter devices for deployment, configure end-user notifications, and app installation deadline. Review your settings, then click Create. If you see the message, "Your app is not ready yet," wait for the content upload to complete. After a few minutes, you'll receive confirmation that the upload is finished and the deployment is active. To verify the deployment, log into a managed device and allow time for the system to sync. You can also manually trigger a sync from Windows settings or the company portal app. As you can see, Intune is downloading and installing the app. Once the installation is complete, the app will be installed automatically on the device. In the Intune portal, you can monitor the deployment status on the overview page. This page provides a graphical breakdown, including devices with successful installations, devices still installing, any errors encountered. Please note that the deployment status may take some time to update in the Intune Admin Center, so be patient. If the app is no longer needed, you can modify its deployment settings in Intune to uninstall it automatically. Go to the Properties section and edit the assignments. Remove the group from the required section and add it to the Uninstall section. Once the sync is complete, The app will be automatically removed from target devices. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.